Parvati Vasudevaya.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
Krishna means all attracted. He is attracted to the lover, he is attracted to the wise, he is attracted to the politician, he is attracted to the scientist, he is attracted to the rogues. Rogues also. When Krishna entered the arena of Kamsa, different kinds of people saw him differently. Those were invited from Vrindavan, the young girls, they saw Krishna, oh, the most beautiful person. Those who are restless, they saw Krishna as thunderbolt. They also saw Krishna, but they saw, oh, here is thunderbolt. Just like however strong you may be, if there is fall down of thunderbolt, everything is finished. So they saw Krishna as thunderbolt, the restless. Yes. And the elderly persons, elderly ladies, they saw Krishna as loving child. So you can establish relationship with Krishna anyway. There are 10, 12 kinds of rasas, human. Just like sometimes we want to see a very pathetic scene in some drama, some costly scene. Somebody is murdering somebody, and we take pleasure in seeing that. There are certain kinds of persons. There are different kinds of sporting. One of our students in Montreal, he was saying that his father took pleasure in bullfighting in Spain. And the bull is killed by fighting. He was taking pleasure. So different kinds of men. One person is saying it is horrible, another person is enjoying. Oh, it's very nice. So, Krishna can accommodate. If you want to love horrible things, Krishna can present yourself as Nishingadeva. Wow. And if you want to see Krishna as very loving friend, he is Bansidhari, Vrindavan Bihar. If you want Krishna as loving child, then he is Gopal. If you want Krishna as loving friend, he is Arjuna. That's like Arjuna and Krishna. So, there are 12 kinds of humors. Krishna can be accommodated all the humors. Therefore his name is Akhila Rasamrita Sindhu. Akhila Rasamrita Sindhu. Akhila means universal. Rasa means mellow, humor. And the ocean. Just like if you try to find out water, and if you go before the Pacific Ocean, unlimited water, there is no comparison how much water is there. Similarly, if you want something, and if you approach Krishna, you will find unlimited supply. Unlimited supply, just like ocean. Therefore, it is said in the Bhagavad Gita, Jang labdha chaparang labhang mannate nadhikang tataha. If anyone can approach and gain that supreme absolute, then he will be satisfied and he will say, oh, I have no more hankering. I have got everything, complete, in full satisfaction. Jangarabhya chapanang labhang mannati nadhikang rata jasmin sthite. And if one is situated in that transcendental position, then what happens? Guru napi dukkhena na vichalat. If there is very severe test of distress, he is not, I mean to say, halted. There are many instances in the Srimad Bhagavatam, just like in the Bhagavad Gita, the Pandavas were placed in so many distress conditions, but they are never faltering. They never ask Krishna, my dear Krishna, you are my friend, you are our friend, the Pandavas. Why you are undergoing so much severe test of difficulties? No, they never. Because they were confident that in spite of all these difficulties, we shall come out victorious. Because Krishna is there. Because Krishna is there. This confidence. This is called Saranagati. Surrender.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,